Two popular prepaid wireless names, Cricket versus Straight Talk. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Cricket, known for simple, reliable AT&T powered plans. On the right, Straight Talk, famous for flexible plans and multi-network coverage. Let's skip unlimited talk and flashy perks and get straight to the things that matter. Each category scores points, and at the end, you'll find out who truly comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. All right, here's our roadmap for today's video. We're going to compare Cricket and Straight Talk across all the angles you care about: coverage and network, price and plan flexibility, data speed and performance, family and multi-line savings, device compatibility and features, plus that all-important customer experience. It's kind of like a mind map. Everything you need to know laid out right here. First up, let's talk about coverage and network performance. Honestly, nothing matters if you don't get bars, right? Cricket, well, it runs entirely on AT&T's nationwide network. That means reliability is pretty darn consistent, but you're locked into AT&T. So awesome if AT&T is king in your area, not so much if you travel or live somewhere spotty. Now, Straight Talk? This is where it gets interesting. They let you hop between Verizon, AT&T, or T-Mobile, depending on your SIM and device. Seriously, you can pick the network that works best for you. The catch? Performance can be a little unpredictable based on where you are and what SIM you have. Still, for flexibility, Straight Talk snags this round. All right, let's talk price and plan flexibility, because who isn't watching their wallet in 2025? Cricket makes things simple. What you see is what you pay. Taxes and fees baked in, super straightforward, unlimited options, and their family discounts are actually worth it if you have a group. But choices for light users are kind of meh. And if you're into HD video, that base unlimited plan is capped at SD. Now, Straight Talk? It's basically a buffet of plans. Basic, unlimited, international calling, whatever you want. You can buy, refill, or change your plan at like almost any retail store. So convenient. But if you need a multi-line, discounts aren't really their thing, and be ready for some fee surprises if you add extras. For sheer flexibility, Straight Talk takes the win here. Moving on to data speed and performance, because, come on, in this day and age, who waits for loading screens? Cricket gives you full access to AT&T's 5G network, and honestly, their speeds are pretty consistent no matter which plan you're on. Yeah, some plans do throttle video to 480p, and in heavy use times you might see deprioritization, but it's not bad. Straight Talk though? 5G is on the menu, but speeds totally depend on what network and device you're using. During congestion, deprioritization is just more likely. So for straight up reliable performance, Cricket grabs the gold. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Cricket Wireless was actually one of the first major carriers to get rid of data speed caps on all their plans this year, in 2025? Yeah, that's actually pretty wild. No more worrying about your speed tanking after a certain limit. Family plans. I mean, does anyone actually pay sticker price for 5 lines anymore? Cricket? These guys are the rulers here, with multi-line discounts that really add up once you go past 2 or 3 lines. If you're a household or have a crew to cover, this is the way to save. Of course, those savings only kick in with multi-line, so keep that in mind. Straight Talk? They offer a little discount if you grab 2 unlimited lines, but honestly, it's mostly a solo affair over there. If family or group savings are your main gig, Cricket is the easy pick. Switching gears, let's talk device compatibility and extras. Cricket works with pretty much any unlocked GSM phone, lets you use mobile hotspot, but only on some plans, and if you shell out for top tier, you might score perks like HBO Max. Not bad, but only if you choose the high-end stuff. Straight Talk impresses here. They support almost any unlocked phone, GSM or CDMA, so you can bring your old device hassle-free. Super easy. But yeah, don't expect to see Netflix or anything bundled here. For flexibility, Straight Talk wins. Last but not least, customer experience. Cricket is all about transparency. Billing's predictable, no hidden overages, just clean and simple. Support in-store can be a hit or miss, but you know what? At least you avoid surprises. Straight Talk shines if you love the self-service life, especially with refills at Walmart or local stores everywhere. But real human customer service can be tough to find, often online-only help. Overall, for a smoother, no-surprise experience, Cricket pulls ahead. Let's pull up the big picture. Here's a radar chart of how both Cricket and Straight Talk stack up across every category we just covered. You can see where Cricket scores strongest, like family savings and data consistency, and where Straight Talk wins, plan choices and device compatibility. It really helps you pick which matters most for you. So, after weighing everything, if you're in a family, want simple billing, and you trust AT&T coverage in your neck of the woods, Cricket's probably your best bet. But if you want options, maybe travel a lot, or just like having flexibility in your plan and device, Straight Talk is honestly kind of perfect. Think about what fits your day-to-day better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep you posted on all the latest wireless deals in 2025, so you never waste money on bad phone plans. Catch you in the next review.